Benches in steam rooms should always be sloped toward the drain to prevent standing water and mold growth. For a reliable thumb rule, use a slope of 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch per foot toward the drain and measure over the full bench run so the fall is continuous and visible. Build the bench over a sloped substrate framed with blocking or tapered sleepers so the finished surface follows the intended fall without soft spots. Install a full waterproof membrane under the bench surface that ties into the floor membrane at the drain to stop leakage through framing members. Choose dense tile or solid surface panels for the bench top because they resist water intrusion and are easier to slope and finish than thin veneers. Seal all joints with flexible, steam-rated sealant and use grout or joint filler compatible with constant moisture to avoid gaps that trap water. Before finishing, flood test the bench area for at least 24 hours to confirm drainage and to find low spots you can correct with thinset or grout buildup. Common problems include too little slope, which causes pooling and odor. Fix this by increasing fall to at least 1/8 inch per foot and rechecking with a long straight edge. Another frequent issue is membrane failure under the bench, leading to rot. Prevent that by fully integrating the bench membrane with the floor membrane and using proper membrane adhesives and clamping at penetrations. A third issue is porous or poorly sealed bench surfaces that stain or harbor mold. Address that by selecting non-porous materials, sealing grout lines thoroughly, and maintaining a regular cleaning schedule with products safe for the finished surface. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for steam room and wet room bench work with project listings and contractor profiles. We also give contractors a place to find work and participate in our discussion community where builders and homeowners exchange tips and ask questions.